All right, guys, what do you think, man? I got the passenger seat and the backrest on eBay. Those are actually used, but they're in perfect shape. They're in perfect condition. I like the passenger and the backrest. I like them without any kind of studs on them. I was thinking of putting these round studs in place of these turquoise conchos. I counted all these, and the ones on there and the ones on my saddlebags. I have 104. There's 14 on that. There's a total of 42 on this one. And that's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There's 48 on the saddlebags. That's 104. It took me, guys, I think it took about a week to put all these on. It took about a week. 104. I could not believe it. So these come, I think it's about $10. Now you could buy these; they're screw on too. These ones here have the two little prongs on them, but you can also buy these where they're screw on. If I do that, I'm going to get the screw on ones. So I think it's about $10 for every 25. So yeah, I'd need about 50. Then you have to have some extras too. So I'd need probably about $60, $60 in spots. Now I want to show you guys how that comes off, because my old one, there's the little plastic thing where the screw goes in, that was broken. So the guy must have not known how to take that off, and he actually broke it. I'll have to show you guys. All right, the way you take this off. Now, if you're looking back here, you can see the little bracket with two Phillips screws. Okay, we're going to take those out. All right. Yeah, you got the little bracket out. Then this screws on. So when you put these on, guys, it's not a very good idea to make it real tight, because then that bolt in there is going to turn. Then you're going to have to break this off. I think that's what happened with the guy that had this before me. So let me get the other seat, and I'll show you the comparison between both of these. Now, see, you can see in back of there how it's broken. And then he even tried to put some caulking in there. So now this is the old seat. The guy even gave me the bracket too. Now this is the other seat I got on eBay. And oh, guys, I thought I had the cam turned around. What am I doing? So what you want to do is you want to make sure this is nice and tight, because if you loosen it, it will spin. So we got this thing pretty tight. I got it torqued on there pretty good. And if you want to put it back on, I keep on missing a hole. I missed it again. I think I got it this time. Yeah, we got it on. See, that's actually too tight, you know. So, so you don't want to make that thing. Let me see if I get it a little tighter. And that is a metric also. That is 10 millimeter. So we're going to get that a little tighter. I can't get any tighter than that before I strip it. Okay, guys, it's hard to get in that hole, man. There we go. Okay. We're not going to over tighten it. Then you just put that bracket back on, and it's done.